In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Collaborator to repository in GitHub. First, make sure you're signed into your GitHub account and that you have admin access to the repository you want to share. Without admin permissions, you won't see the options we're about to use. From your GitHub homepage, head to your dashboard and open the repository where you want to add a collaborator. If you're on your profile page, click Home to get to the dashboard, then choose the repository from your recent list. Inside the repository, look for the Settings tab along the top. Open Settings, then find the section that controls access. Depending on the layout, you'll see Collaborators or a link that says Manage Access. Click Manage Access to see who currently has permission to the repo. Now click Add People. A search box will appear that lets you look up a collaborator by username, full name, or email address. Click into that search field and start typing the person's GitHub username. As you type, GitHub will show matching accounts. Select the correct person from the results. When you've picked the right account, choose Invite Collaborator to send the invitation. If GitHub asks you to confirm the selection, simply click the person's name again and confirm the invite. In some cases, you may see a small prompt or highlighted button to finalize the action. Go ahead and click that to complete the invite. You should see a confirmation message indicating that an invitation has been sent. At this point, your collaborator will receive a GitHub notification and an email prompting them to accept. The invite must be accepted before they gain access. If they can't find the email, remind them to check their notifications on GitHub or their spam folder. Once accepted, they'll appear under Manage Access with the appropriate role. If you need to undo the action, for example, if you invited the wrong account, go back to Manage Access. Find the pending invitation next to that person's name and choose Cancel Invitation. Confirm the cancellation, and the invite will be withdrawn immediately. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Use the correct username to avoid inviting the wrong person, especially if multiple accounts have similar names. If you don't see Settings or Manage Access, double-check that you have admin rights on the repository. And remember, for private repositories, collaborators must accept the invite before they can clone or push changes. That's it. You've successfully invited a collaborator and you know how